a snack. However, Fika is more than that. Fika is giving yourself a moment to slow things down and appreciate the good things in life. That's the two concepts that I want to highlight here. One, giving yourself a moment to slow things down, and two, appreciate the good things in life. But first, I want to emphasize the appreciation of everything that is valuable in your lives. Like pwede it's your family, pwede it's your passion, pwede it's your dreams, ang sports mo, o walang talent mo. Pero, I am a man of learning, so for me, I appreciate the value of education, of how it impacts our lives and yours. I am a firm believer that education is a great equalizer of society because it can change a life. So you will move up the next stage of your life and education made it possible. Siling galing ng Padre Jose Burgos, isa sa mga partido ng mga pamaling Abulbursa, Mariano Gomez, Jose Burgos, at Sito Zamora, isa sa katagaan niya, mag-aral kayo. Pakinabangan ninyo ang mga paaralan ng bayan hanggang sa kung saan ang mabibigay ng mga ito. Laging maging Pilipino, isang edugadong Pilipino. We have to remember that the time that they have in 1800s is a significant era wherein the time was a Spanish colonization. Lagi na deprive ang mga Pilipino sa education. Kaya gusto sila sila mag-remain sila ng Indio, meaning illiterate and uneducated. Ang pagkakamartin na Padre Burgos at ang buong Bursa ay isang mitsa upang magsimula ang revolusyon. And that is because people were awakened. Were educated on the reality that they must fight for their freedom or else they will not be free. Naging matatag sila. Pinatatag sila ng edukasyon upang kami ng Pilipinas ang kanilang kabaguhan, ang pagiging bagong Pilipinas sa panahon ngayon. At ngayon naman, na-experience natin sa current situation. And it was made possible by education. It may not be the education that you can see in the four walls of the classroom that my picture, but it was education nonetheless. That is how valuable education is in my life. Na kasobrang lang po ang pag-aaral, I forgot to see the other aspects of my life. Yun yung naging challenge ko eh. Kasi during high school, parang mapabayad na ako, aral na ako ng aral, pero ano to eh, nakalimutan ko lang i-enjoy siya. Nakalimutan ko na bata pa ako. Kailangan i-enjoy ko yung life of the way it is. And this is why I want to highlight the concept of Fika, which is giving yourself a moment to slow things down. So, during my high school years, I was razor sharp in my focus to my studies na nakalimutan ko na siya i-enjoy. And the result of that, I am constantly putting pressure to myself, and to prove how capable I am that it affected me personally. Sino ang kilala sa inyo sa PE? Kilala nyo? Siyempre na kami kilala nila. Jay-Z ko ito ba? Okay, PE. So, isa siya sa mga favorite ko ang group, alam mo favorite ko ang dami na sa bolo, ang karera, panaling karera. Okay, sa bolo siya, sinigsa ang karera. Sino ba nagsabi na kailangan kong mauna? Hindi naman ito karera. Pwede magdahan-dahan dahil sa bawat pinibagong umaga, ang pagsimulang muli ay isang tagumpay na. Huwag mag-alala, ang buhay ay di karera. Yes, you will be moving up to another chapter of your life, which is high school, or junior high school rather. A lot of you are already expecting the changes that will happen. The things that you wish to be, the things that you want to do. What I'd like to remind everyone, all of you graduates, is to slow things down. Especially now that we are living in the age of AI, wherein just one thing, the artificial intelligence will provide answers to you, everything to you. The continuous advancement of technology has made our lives easier, to the point that we get to do everything so fast. As the world moves fast, it also affects us. so fast. What I'm telling you is don't push yourself to grow up so fast. Enjoy the lang yung pagbabata nyo. Enjoy the youth now that you have. Kayo na alam ko siya sa babalik sa pagbabata. Kayo sa dyan. Pag tinulang ka na, alam mo tama sa ibig mo, bills, ang pag-support mo sa family mo, ang pag-abuhi mo. So, pagbata mo, enjoy na. Because honestly, with this, ang wala na yung tayo na pag-abuhi sa sarili ko sa kaya ko. Kaya enjoy na lang kakuwi mo, paano ba? So enjoy that, embrace your youth, and enjoy life as it is. Again, Finga. So Finga, give yourself a moment to slow things down and appreciate the good things in your life. So speaking of moments and appreciating the good things of your life, I want to take this opportunity to celebrate our mothers. So this month, we celebrated Mother's Day. So alam ko, it's not too late. I want to congratulate all mothers here, all the parents here. Happy Mother's Day po, and also to our teachers, our second mothers, kasama ko yung sisters and us, Happy Mother's Day. So, wala akong masabi sa binigay nilang education sa amin, and I want to give appreciation to my advisors, of Melody Haluna, of Nancy Vargas, River Mayor Soares and Peace, Pamela Fernandez, Pamela Canela, Bob Evangeline Udelo, dahil siya yung nangyayari, siyang ginagawa ko, iniisip ko nga mga ito, mabalik ko din yung nila, ay gusto ko, may pakita sa iya, na ang madaling ang isa sa mga nangyayari. Gusto ko yung proud sa ako. And syempre, last but not the least, si Ma'am Yolanda Ruiz. Sobrang close na sa amin mga pala ko, and pisahan na alam ko sa kanila at the whole area. So, gusto ko lang pasalamat siya na sa namin proud sa akin. So, nag-do siya na kay very close na sa my heart. Kay sa kabuhay ko, sa website ko sa Manila, pero bigyan pinapanood ko, kinalaan ko maging proud sa role na disclose na ako. And I hope I did. So, pag matapos, students, graduates, kilala niyo po si Michael Jordan eh. Kilala ba? Okay. Si Michael Jordan, he is considered one of the most or greatest of all time. So, kilala sa film niya, sa film about sa Young Air, nabigay siya sa 2 events kung paano naging buong Air Jordan sa Panos sa 90. Sininsang isa kay Secretary Mr. Rob Strasser, a shoe is only a shoe unless someone steps on it. As you go further, especially with your education, you will ask yourself, do I continue being an academic achiever? Shall I pursue my passion? Will I follow what my family says I'll do? You will face a lot of pressure that sometimes it may be suffocating. So what I learned in life is just, do you? Do what you think what will be best for you. You will be building your future that will help you discover yourselves. And you will be able to do that if you are happy living life the way it should be. After this graduation, you will not be faced with a different shoe in your life. And that shoe will never be something unless you step on it. It is now your time to shine, so take a leap and seize the moment. Thank you very much and have a blessed day.
And motivational comments. Our graduates will surely be inspired by your wisdom for a very long time. At this point, may we invite our school's district supervisor, Ma'am Lainey L. Arbinoya, for the giving of a short to our inspirational speaker to be assisted by our school principal, Sir Dan B. Carino, and our PTA president, Mrs. Arlene Kim Chico.
The Certificate of the Philippines Department of Education, Region Iloilo City, San Juan Elementary School, presents this Certificate of appreciation to Romel P. Montaño for his valuable time rendered as guest speaker in the 46th graduation ceremonies of San Juan Elementary School for school year 2023 to 2024 with the theme Kabanakang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. Given this 29th day of May